Good morning all. Today we are going to discuss about cervical plexus. The cervical plexus is formed by the joining of C1 to C4 segments of spinal cord. The ventral rami of C1 which is joins with the hypoglossal nerve and it gives three branches. The branches are geniohyoid, thyrohyoid and superior root of ansa cervicalis. The ventral rami of C2 and C3 joins to form inferior root of ansa cervicalis. Both superior and inferior root joins together to form a loop. That loop is called as ansa cervicalis. The superior root of ansa cervicalis it itself gives a branch to the superior belly of omohyoid. Loop of ansa cervicalis provide three branches to the infrahyoid muscles. They are the sternothyroid, sternohyoid and inferior belly of omohyoid. Ventral rami of C3, C4 and a small branch from C5 united to form a main nerve of the body and which supplies to the diaphragm. A nerve is called as phrenic nerve. The ventral rami of C3 and C4 joins to form a nerve called supraclavicular nerve. The ventral rami of C1 and C2 joins together and it gives a branch to the vagus nerve and it is called as communicating branch of a vagus nerve. The ventral rami of C1 and C2 gives three more branches to three muscles. They are rectus capitis lateralis muscle, rectus capitis anterior muscle and longissimus capitis muscles. So the nerves are nerve to rectus capitis lateralis, nerve to rectus capitis anterior and nerve to longus capitis. The ventral rami of C2 gives a branch and that divides into two and that supplies to two muscles. They are longus capitis muscle and longus colli muscle. And those nerves which supplies to those two muscles are nerve to longus capitis and nerve to longus colli. Then the ventral rami of C2 and C3 joins together and it gives two branches. They are transverse cervical nerve and greater auricular nerve. The ventral rami of C3 and C4 gives two nerves and that supplies to two muscles. They are longus capitis muscle and longus colli muscles. The ventral rami of C3 gives a nerve and that supplies to the scalene muscles and that nerves are called as nerve to scalene. And finally, the ventral rami of C4 which gives a nerve to the levator scapulae muscle. And this is about the cervical plexus. Thank you.